So in the podcast, Brian mentioned that there exists a housing shortage and we need more homes and we need more developers. And that's so true in today's market. I mean, the homes are selling like crazy for outrageous prices. And it's just that we need more supply. And so hopefully companies like this can help ramp up supply. And hopefully there's more companies out there. It doesn't matter what kind of company it is, as long as they're building a quality home, it can help increase the supply.
But that's the problem when there's such a gap between demand and supply. When there's this voracious appetite for homes right now, there's automatically going to be a drop in quality because there's so much demand. You just want to satisfy that demand. You're not going to be producing quality homes. And we've already seen quality drop over the past couple of decades. And it's scary to think of the quality of homes dropping even further because sure, you can create this, you can satisfy the demand right now, but how long are those homes going to last? If they last 20 years and our population continues to increase for the next 20 years or so, then we're going to have to address that increased demand in 20 years, plus all these homes that have deteriorated. It's going to exacerbate the problem down the line.
That kind of reminds me of homes built pre-2008, let's say from like 2004 to 2007, which we actually had. We had a home built at that time and lived in it. And the quality of construction, I mean, you could tell it was bad. But they were just throwing up homes as fast as they could to meet demand. And then the financial crisis and the housing market crashed in 2008. And these homes are still there, but like you said, that quality, like how long are they going to really last?
And then it has a knock-on effect on other things because these poor quality homes are going to require more amounts of energy to run because they're not going to be insulated as well. So they're going to be energy guzzling homes, and we're building millions of these energy guzzling homes just to meet demand, and that's going to affect our demand for energy, and we're not going to be able to keep up. Like we're at a point where we can be building net zero homes or homes that can operate off the grid. But that's not a concern right now because we just want to build energy guzzling homes that will satisfy demand.
We just need homes.
And that's a scary thought.
So we need more homes built, but they need to be done well. And one of the proven methods to do that is to do it off-site, to do it in factories in a controlled environment through modular construction.
I would say it's proven. I feel like you can still cut corners in factories. I think there needs to be more of an education on what you're buying, like how does your home perform? So you're not just looking for a home to satisfy your need right now, but you're looking for a good quality home. Like imagine if you're starving or if you're homeless. No, I'd say starving. You won't care about a really nutritious meal. You're going to accept a McDonald's burger because you're just famished right now. But that's not going to satisfy your hunger in the long run. It's not going to be good for your body than a nutritious meal, a more expensive meal would be.
Well, think about how much energy is wasted or consumed in third world countries because they're just doing anything they can to get by. They're not concerned with being green or conscious of the environment, really. They're concerned with their livelihood.